Welcome to American Dream Mansion, where elegance meets perfection and dreams turn into breathtaking reality. Nestled in the heart of Silicon Valley, this $33.95 million masterpiece at 72 Berry Lane, Atherton, California, defines the essence of modern luxury living. As the golden daylight touches every curve of this architectural gem, the glass walls shimmer, the water in the pool sparkles, and the grand driveway welcomes you into a life of timeless sophistication. Built by the legendary Pacific Peninsula Group, this mansion covers more than 11,540 square feet on 1.2 manicured acres, a vision of prestige and peace. Step through its grand entrance and you'll be surrounded by an aura of modern luxury. From the marble steps and golden chandeliers to the massive open-plan interiors, this home feels like a private resort. Every wall, texture, and shadow is designed with precision, offering an atmosphere of pure calm. The living room flows effortlessly into the dining and entertainment spaces, connected by glass doors that open to the California sunshine. Inside the gourmet kitchen, white marble countertops gleam under soft natural light. It's not just a kitchen, it's a dream workspace for culinary art. Whether it's a morning espresso with the sunrise or a grand dinner party, this kitchen transforms every meal into a moment of joy. Move toward the TV lounge. Sunlight filters through tall windows, embracing the cozy modern design. The smart home theater, personal gym, and luxury office redefine convenience. This isn't just a house, it's a complete lifestyle hub, designed for comfort, creativity, and calm. Upstairs, 6 magnificent bedroom suites await, each built for relaxation and privacy. The master suite offers an expansive balcony overlooking the pool and gardens. Its spa-inspired bathroom glows with marble surfaces, a freestanding tub, and golden accents, pure cinematic beauty. The guest house stands separately, offering full privacy with its own living space and kitchen, perfect for family or visitors who crave peace and exclusivity. Step outside, and the California dream unfolds before your eyes. The Infinity Edge pool mirrors the blue sky, while the outdoor lounge and kitchen create an ideal backdrop for summer gatherings and sunset moments. As the sun dips behind the horizon, the entire property transforms. Lights shimmer on the water, trees glow softly, and the estate becomes a painting of modern serenity. Every inch of this home whispers elegance, from its symmetrical architecture to its artistic lighting. It's not just a residence, it's an experience, a blend of art, innovation, and emotion. For those who dream beyond limits, this property stands as a symbol of success and soul. This is American Dream Mansion, your window into the world of breathtaking luxury real estate across the United States. If you love exploring masterpieces like this, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, because your dream home might just appear in our next video.